morning, my friends. Thank you very much for this chance. In this nice chance, I want to talk about my identity and my daily activities. My name is Nafisul Izzakut Munada. You can call me Nafis. I live at Asnan Kamandian. I am 12 years old. My hobby is cooking. I like this hobby because it is fun. I study at At-Taqwa Islamic School. It is at Jalan Hos Cokroaminoto, Kademangan. My father is Mr. M. He is a farmer. He is about 44 years old. His hobby is clean. My mother is Miss Ha. She is a teacher. She is about 41. She is hobby cooking. I have one brother and one sister.